So here's a perfect example of a repair using a light, a special kind of a work light. I have to put a blower motor in this Pontiac, and it's under the dash, under the glove compartment. And you see the light, right? There's my 1200 lumen light. And you notice I don't have to hold it. It's just floating right under the blower motor like magic. Not in my way. And the reason I don't have to hold it is because it's being held for me by that 36-inch long metal gooseneck, which goes up to a 5-inch suction cup that supports a lithium-ion battery. This is a perfect example of a mechanic working alone and not being able to easily position a work light under where I have to work. I mean, this is better than having a person hold a light for me. Goose-Grip Mechanics Work Light. Look for it. Goose-Grip.com. And it's on Amazon.